Greetings, I am Professor Jim Powers. Today I will be presenting this message to you from our training center at our headquarters located in Whitewater, Wisconsin, in the heartland of America. The Installer Series is one of OWL's most popular kits among installers, particularly installers who may just be starting out and need a feature-rich yet affordable, accurate, NIST traceable certification test kit. Over time, the Installer Series has evolved, with each revision including an improved optical power meter, first with the MicroOwl 2, then the FiberOwl 4, and now the FiberOwl 7, which includes improvements over the previous meters such as color LCD display, helpful diagrams, built-in context-sensitive help, unlimited job parameters, thousands of data points, and a rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Each Installer Series certification test kit comes with everything you see here: FiberOwl 7 optical power meter, WaveSource Pro Series light source, universal adapter caps for 2.5mm and 1.25mm connectors, battery chargers and cables, a USB flash drive with OWLView software and documentation, a NIST certificate of calibration, all in a hardshell carrying case. Installer Series test kits come in two configurations: multi-mode only or quad, including both multi-mode and single mode. A critical parameter for fiber certification is the length of the fiber cable used to calculate fiber loss. It is best to optically measure the cable length since jacket markings are not always available or reliable. So when using the Installer Series, the user will need an alternate way of determining cable length. OWL offers three options for this. First, you can add a length testing port to the FiberOwl 7 meter, or you can use an OWLTREK 2 OTDR, or a bolt or volt optical length tester. Finally, via free OWLView software, the Installer Series produces professional standards-based certification reports to hand to customers. Even more, OWLView software also allows installers to optionally produce what we call a try report, showing three critical indicators of link quality: fiber link certification, OTDR traces for link characterization, and end face analysis showing the quality of the end face, all on one report. To produce a try report with the Installer Series, OTDR and end face results will need to be imported manually, so a separate OWLTREK 2 OTDR and video scope capable of capturing end face images would be required to complete the try report. These devices are available to purchase from OWL. However, full-featured test kits called the 7 Plus are also available that include everything needed to create a try report in one comprehensive bundle. Try reporting ability with OWLView software is a game changer, giving installers a distinct advantage over their competition while saving thousands over other well-known brands. For more information about how the Installer Series can benefit your bottom line, call OWL at 262-473-0643 or send us an information request through our website at the address shown here.